Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. Currently we are here in Devarayana Durga Hills, on the way to Devarayana Durga Hills. Let's go and see. This is the first motor vlog in our channel. We have two fellow YouTubers along with us, and here is Sumant Moto Vlogs.
Hey guys, how are you all?
He does YouTube videos on both Kannada and Tamil. You people can go and check it out. The link is in the description. And we also have a famous YouTuber along with us, Mugi bro, Rider Mugi. He does motor vlogs in Tamil,
but in Bangalore.
Yeah, but in Bangalore. So that's the reason. So we all have joined here together.
Hey guys.
The links are in the description. You people can even have a look on that as well. And so this was a sudden plan coming to this place. Been to this place before itself, but 1 year back along with my friends. So yeah, it's nice to go on rides with fellow YouTubers. So this is the first motor vlog, so everything, the camera is shaky. I didn't buy a gimbal as well. Such a beautiful place, guys. So it's 80 kilometers away from Bangalore. Yeah, so that's what you can. Let's just look into the place. We'll have to see. It's yet another 1 kilometer to reach the place. Yeah, let's see. So yes guys, this is the first video post lockdown. Actually the lockdown is not ended in Bangalore or any other places, but then we have gone for the ride. Since things are getting back to normal, we just wanted to plan a short ride of 80 kilometers. So that's the reason came to this place. It's such a peaceful place actually. During normal days and all, Saturdays and Sundays, right? Most of them used to come, but today due to this current situation there's no one here, so it's very peaceful. And yeah, I think like we got a permission from the local people here, so after permission then only we planned this ride. So it's not something without proper plan or something like that, but suddenly we had to go next week, but then next week we had a couple of other plans as well, so that's the reason just wanted to go today itself. So yeah, it's around 12 o'clock. We started the journey at around 9 o'clock or something. So I left my home at 9 and I met them at 10. After which I came, we all joined together. It's just like a collab, right? As in, there are a lot more YouTubers who are going to join with us after a couple of days in the next big ride. I'll be coming up with those details as well. So yeah. Yes guys, first vlog, so don't mind if there are any mistakes or something like that. Okay. So yes guys, some things happen at times. What happened here was we went till the top of the hill, till the entry, and the sad news was they're not allowing till June 8th or something. So obviously we had to return, but a lot of people had come, like families, friends and people like that had come. But then, so currently we'll have to assume this as, if you see, I'll show you. If you see, the thing is, this is the hills, kind of hills behind me. I'll show you clearly. So we traveled all around like 80 kilometers and then ended up to this situation. Fine, it's fine because it was nice to meet them as well. See, YouTubers life, vlogs. Always more than travel, we'll have to make a lot of videos to show the best scenic beauty to you people as well. Okay, but yeah, see, but the place is very good and the roads are just awesome. You people can try it out, but before coming, it's better to. We actually, we asked people, but then we didn't know that it was closed due to some wrong information. Okay, let's go there. Let's see how's the place and things like that. Come, let's go, guys. Yes guys, this is the hill that I had shown you. Actually, we'll have to just assume that this is Devarayana Durga hills for now. Okay, so nice. I hope you guys would have liked it. It's a very small vlog. Yes, I do agree it, but then this is what I have to show you people to in this vlog. There are a lot more vlogs to come yet. Guys, so while we were back from on the way to DD Hills, what happened was this: we came across this place named as Siddhalinga Matta, a kind of ashram, wherein in Bangalore itself is one of the famous ashram, and they provide free food for like thousands of people every day, and it's actually a good thing. So if you people come across to this place, you can have a visit. Currently they're not allowing us inside, so that's the reason we're just standing out, and we just came to see. Yeah, this is the place. I'll show the back view of this. So this is the place, guys. So agricultural and industrial exhibition kind of thing. There's a school as well, Sri Siddha Ganga. Sorry, I told Siddhalinga, I guess. Okay, fine, it's Siddha Ganga. Yeah, fine.